Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com, and today we're going to take a look at this TeraPump electric ethanol transfer pump. Currently I have this in the upright position on my table, but so we can take a look at the features together at a little closer angle, I'm going to go ahead and lay it down on my table and zoom in here. Now this electric pump is going to let you transfer fuel from a 15, 30, or 55-gallon drum to your tractor, truck, and other equipment. So it's going to be perfect to have on hand in your garage, at your shop, have it for your yard equipment, farms, and even at the dock. This pump is compatible with liquid chemicals such as pure ethanol, methanol, DEF, non-chlorinated brake cleaner, window washer fluids, liquid soda, and non-potable water. It is not compatible with gasoline, diesel, drinking water, kerosene, lubricants, acetone, benzene, creosol, phenol, concentrated caustic soda liquid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, thinners, or solvents. The telescoping intake tube is going to adjust to fit various drum heights, and the stainless steel end cap filter is going to keep debris out of the motor to prevent damage. So this is going to be very easy to extend just by loosening the nut here. And so when you have this fully collapsed, the overall length of this intake tube is going to be right at about 21 3/4 inches long. And then when you have this fully extended, this is going to be sitting right at about 33 1/4 inches long. So you've got a range of about from 21 3/4 to 33 1/4 inches long. So quite a bit of range there with this. And the overall diameter is right at 1 3/8 inches. Now the drum buttress adapter is easy to grip, making it simple to tighten up or loosen. And it is adjustable, giving you the ability to fit this pump in various drum bungholes. The nozzle handle with the swivel nut is going to give you 360-degree rotation to prevent this hose from tangling. And it also has a lock here that I wanted to show you. So typical operation, you're just going to squeeze to start transferring your liquid and then release the handle to stop that flow. But if you've got a lot of fluid, a lot of liquid to transfer, you can just simply squeeze the handle and then turn this lock, and then that's going to keep the nozzle open while you're transferring. And just, of course, you don't want to leave this unattended in case of possible spillage or overflow or anything like that. And then you can also control the rate of flow. So if you don't want it all the way open, you can just rotate this hook here, and then as you can see, that's going to adjust the rate of flow. So that's a nice feature of this nozzle handle. The flow rate is up to 4.2 gallons per minute. Now this does have an electrical plug that's going to insert into 110 volt AC wall outlet. This is again an electric pump, and you'll plug that adapter right here in the back of this pump. And this power switch has an LED light right here to confirm when the unit is on or off. You just flip the power switch on and squeeze the handle to control the rate of flow, and then release the handle and turn the power off to stop the flow. Now, you probably know this, but it is a good idea when you're done pumping to kind of lift this handle up to let that fluid drain back down through the pump and back into your drum or container, just so you don't have fluid sitting in this hose while it is not in use. Speaking of this hose, this 79-inch long rubber discharge hose consists of 4 layers, and it's oil, flame, and cold resistant. The high-grade polyester construction is flexible, and the built-in holster, let me zoom out here real quick and show that to you. We have a built-in holster right here That's going to allow you to store your discharge nozzle safely, as you can see. So when you're not using it, this nozzle is not going to be in your way. Now, the overall dimensions of this pump, when we have the intake tube fully collapsed, overall from end to end, we are sitting right at about 33 inches tall when you have this in the upright position. And then just the head itself, the portion that's going to be sticking out from the top of the drum is about 10 3/4 inches tall. And then the overall width is about 3 3/8 inches wide. And again, I mentioned the AC adapter is included, along with instructions to go over just a little bit more in depth the features that we covered together today, and then giving you instructions as to helping you make sure that you are operating this the way that it was designed for. Well, that's going to conclude our look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.